How we doing? It's Friday! How are we getting on? Have you had a good week? Oh, cool. Sounds a bit ropey, but I don't know if I should be moving it. Look, can you guess what we've been up to today? It's awesome, man. We've had loads of stuff going on. We've had meetings with clients. Oh, I dropped my pencil. We've had meetings with clients. We've had canoe to put together. Had loads of stuff going on. How are you doing anyway? You had a good week this week? If you saw the short I put up yesterday, you can tell I've had an awesome week this week. It's been a bit of a pain in the butt, but you get weeks like that, right? You get ups and downs, and that's just what life is all about, I suppose. What is it? One of my favourite, people laugh at me for this, one of my favourite Christmas movies is Muppet Christmas Carol. Like, we watch it every year. Every single year I watch it with the kids, or I watch it with Shelley. And, God, it's really sad, isn't it? The bit I'm about to say. So the bit when they're talking about Tiny Tim and Bob Cratchit, he's saying he talks about life being full of ebbs and flows, and I suppose that's what it is, isn't it? We have good days and we have bad days. I try to enjoy the bad days as much as I possibly can. Not always easy, not always doable, but like I do my best with it. But it's not always possible, is it? But it's not been too bad. It's not been too bad. Let me show you what we've been up to, eh? So, if you hadn't guessed already, I've got another canoe on the go. This one's going to be awesome. So this is going to be how do we say it? It's going to be like a single man and young, a man or a woman and their child, or for a single man, because I think the weight limit on it is just about over 16 stone maybe. So I might be able to fit in it. But yeah, I think it's for like a guy and some gear. I think this one's going to be perfect. So hopefully, this is a cheaper option, but, well, cheaper than the big ones, but still a good one. I think that's where we're going with it. It's not going to be all like super nice varnished inside or anything like that. It's going to be pure utilitarian, full on function over form. So that's where we're at with that. What else have we been up to? We made some like POS units, like card racks. These are quite nice, look. So these all slot together. So these, all the shelves and everything come out, everything comes apart. So then that way the client can just do what they need to do and send it out, eh? So that's nice, because the other ones that we do, they're all pre-manufactured, so we have to send them out on a pallet. So it's a bit of a pain, really. But yeah, that's a good option. What else have we been up to? Not a great deal, to be fair. We've had card stuff to sort out. Like I said, if you don't know if you saw, but the Jeep failed. It didn't fail anything, but we had gearbox issue, and then the battery died. Awesome, because it's like a 3 litre V6, so you need like a honking battery to put in that. So they're not cheap. That was a pain in the butt, but we managed to get something sorted, so that's all good. And then what happened? The Volvo died because MOT. If you live in America, you are lucky, man, because MOTs suck. I understand it's all about the safety of the vehicle and stuff like that, but it's a pain in the butt because they've changed the law on, and doesn't matter. But yeah, it failed. We had nothing major, like fuel pipe blew. That was quite major. But that blew on the way to the MOT centre. How lucky is that, eh? So yeah, so that popped and died. Let's see. Yeah, that popped and died on the way to the MOT place. The guy was not happy because it apparently chucked fuel all over him when he was in the pit. I didn't mean to. I checked it over before we left and everything was fine. What else were we up to? Oh yeah, so that was the problem. And then so there's a fuel pipe, some brake discs, and nothing else really, like bulbs and stuff. Nothing major. I was really pleased with what had failed on it, all things considered. But then I didn't have the time to do the pads, so a friend of mine, he's a mechanic, he was going to do them. He'd sorted all the bits and pieces out for us. He's a good guy. And he rang me up and he was like, Josh, the locking wheel nut is about to shear off. Like, killer. So he pulled all the other lugs off, and then this one just wasn't having any of it. So hopefully the guy's going to go around to the workshop tomorrow and weld a nut on. If that doesn't work, then he's going to drill it out. But he's like, this is what he does. So that sucks. But what can you do? Nothing really, can you? Nothing at all. It just is what it is. But yeah, all things considered, and now I've stopped feeling sorry for myself and being a bit all whingy in that, I'm quite pleased with how the week's gone. It's been... I made it to the end of it. We all made it to the end of it. If you're watching this, I got a canoe done. I got some new projects done. I spoke to some new clients, man. What more could you really ask for? I mean, winning lottery, but I don't play the lottery, so... But yeah, I think it's been a good one. How has your week been? Have you been up to anything? You made started any new project? God, I can't talk today. Have you started any new projects? Have you done anything interesting? Have you made any inroads on anything? Hey? Are you looking forward to the summer? Are you looking forward to this? I am so looking forward to the warmer weather. I can't wait. It's like dropped down to about 12 degrees here, 10 degrees in the workshop now. But this morning it was beautiful, and then it hammered it down with rain. Yesterday evening was gorgeous. I am looking forward to sitting over there in my Adirondack chair, my chair. You know, the chair. I'm looking forward to sitting in my chair and watching the sunset and drinking a beer. That is going to be awesome. That's going to be sweet, man. I'm genuinely really looking forward to that. And do you know what the beautiful thing is? It sounds really odd, right? But do you know what the beautiful thing about like looking forward to watching the sunset and the warmth? Nobody can take it away from you. Doesn't matter what goes on in the world, as long as it all doesn't go like that really down the toilet. You can still watch the sunset. You can still have a beer. You can still enjoy it. It's the little things in life, isn't it, that are most important? I think so. It's all good. It's all good. Anyway, not very long one. I just wanted to check in with you all. I know I haven't sorted any of the videos out that I said last week that I was going to do, but they're just still sat there. I've got a video. I've got some stuff to do with the new saw. I've got a whole bunch of shorts coming up. I have like some joinery type ones, like Dusty Lumber Company. What he does some awesome shorts. So I'm going to try and do some like that. What else have we got coming up? Gate build. Yeah, I've got a few other things that planned as well. But I could go on about them, but you might not see them for a few weeks. So such is life, isn't it? Because life likes to get in the way. Anyway, it's time for me to go home. I need to pack up, get everything sorted, and then I'm going to go and eat and sit down and relax. Watch a bit of TV. Wow, watch a bit of YouTube. So, anyway, I'll tell you what, there's a question for you before I go. What's your favourite YouTuber? What? It doesn't have to be woodworking, could be anything. Like, we watch a lot of homesteading. There's like laid back living. I love you guys if you watch this. Who else do we watch? We watch Wild and Wonderful Off Grid. We watch Good Simple Living. Justin Rhodes. I like a lot of Colin Furze. He does a lot of good stuff. And I watch a fair few woodworking ones. But yeah, who do you like the most? You let me know below, right? And because I'm always looking for YouTubers to go watch. It's better than TV, isn't it? I mean, it was until they made you like watch 2 minutes of ads before every show. But yeah, it's all good. I'm going to shut up. I'm going to pack up and I'm going to go home. I hope you all have a beautiful evening. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. You take it easy. And you have a good one, all right? Oh, so good at the end of the week. Take it easy, guys. Have fun.
Start it up.
Look, there's like a little bit of sun poking through. Hey? It's nearly here.